Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new video in Numpy tutorial series that is on introduction on matrix under Numpy. We'll be watching all the details and introduction over this matrix in Numpy, and later we will conclude all the operations which we can perform in matrix in upcoming videos. So in this particular video, let's get familiar with matrix in Numpy. So let's get started with the video. In this whole learning series of Numpy tutorial, we are using this particular roadmap into which till here we have already covered up till universal function. Now we are here with matrix in Numpy. Let's jump to matrix in Numpy, what it is. So this matrix in Numpy is nothing but it's similar to your Numpy array itself, but the functionality or the you may say the facility we get on matrix is some a bit different than your Numpy array, normal Numpy array. So what's the major difference? We are going to see in this particular section from here till element access. But now it just a theoretical definition of the matrix is in Numpy is it's a rectangular array of number, symbol or expression arranged in a row and column. How does it look like? It look like same as your Numpy. But there is one constraint for matrix in Numpy, that your Numpy array can be of any dimension. It can be of 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, 4 dimension, any type of dimension. But the matrix in your Numpy will be only restricted to 2 dimension. That means you can't increase the dimension into your matrix. So that's only the drawback, you may say. And over here, what all difference we get Numpy array versus the matrix? That will be the more important question, or that will be the more important concept which we can get aware, that what's the major differences between this Numpy array and matrix. It will make you clear that why even we use matrix instead of Numpy array sometimes. So the very in a nutshell, when if I want to talk to you that if what's the difference between matrix and array, so the difference is matrix is there into Numpy to deal up with linear algebra operation or the complex mathematical operation, but your Numpy array having limitation, or you may say not that much flexibility in the direction of linear algebra. So all the functionality whatever there is to the linear algebra, those all things you can perform very easily into matrix of Numpy. So let's take point by point this particular section, because this is the one which will make you clear about the differences and all the basic concepts. So the what's the difference between both of them in mathematical operation approach? So the thing is that Numpy arrays are more general and can have any number of dimensions, which I already mentioned. Okay, and this they support a wide range of mathematical operation, including element wise operation, matrix operation, and more. Right? But these matrix are especially designed for the linear algebra operation, which I already mentioned. They are always two-dimensional, and most operation on matrices are mathematically well defined for the linear algebra, such as matrix manipulation, inverse, or determinant. So these all operations are hardcore related to your matrix or the linear algebra. So for those reason only this matrix get differ from the Numpy array. Next we are having multiplication behavior. So what happens if you want to have multiplication done into your Numpy array and the matrix? The slight difference is the star operator perform element wise multiplication into Numpy array. Okay, but the star operator performs matrix multiplication. Hope you got this point. This star is multiplying element wise, but this matrix when you are doing a star, it is performing matrix multiplication. Okay, so that's the major difference when you are using a star. After that, how we can create numpy matrix? So to create numpy array, we are having np.array, and to create numpy matrix, we are having np.matrix. That's it. Not that much big deal, or you may say not that much big concept over here. Just np.array, it will be creating your numpy array. np.matrix will be creating your numpy matrix. Now coming to attributes, numpy array have attributes such as shape, endim, and dtype, but they do not miss. It is something which when you will get on hands-on, definitely you will get to know what all differences are uh, with respect to numpy and the matrix in numpy array and the matrix in numpy. So let's skip this attributes part. Let's jump to element access. How we can access element from in numpy array. So this numpy array element access is, as you are already aware of, that either you can put array and then this will be your row index and this will be your column index. The element which will be accessible will be getting fetched out from this particular result. But this matrix can be also it will access with the same approach. Also, it is having one more way to access the elements is, that is matrix, you may say specific indexing. That is, this particular style is also getting used to fetch out the element from your matrix. That means this will specify your row and this will specify your column. So the things are same, but the way of writing becomes different. Okay, so that's all about this whole video, into which we saw that what is matrix in numpy and what's the key difference and why we use matrix. All these things we have we have seen into this particular video. Definitely with few of the operations I will be coming out into the next video, so stay tuned to this channel. Till then, thank you so much guys for watching out the video, and see you in the next one.